Welcome to PROPLATE. In this demo, we will be going over the different actions that you can take on the receiving screen. To change the page manually, scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Click on one of the icons to change the current page shown on the screen. Scroll to find the job. For an easier search method, scroll back to the top. Click here to search for any job. By job number, PO, customer's name, or part number. For this demo, we will search for a job by its job number. Click the three dots to open the action menu for the job. Click on Edit to update or change the job information before order entry is completed. Now, click Cancel to clear the fields and revert the screen to the default view. Click the three dots again to open the action menu. Select Send Mail to open the Send Mail pop-up. You can edit the email content in the text box to change what is sent to the customer. Click Close to exit the pop-up, or click Send Mail to send the order received email to the customer. Click the three dots to open the action menu again. Select Delete to remove the job from the receiving screen. Click No Thanks to return to the main screen, or click OK to confirm the deletion. In this demo, we learned about the different actions that can be taken on the receiving screen. If you need any help or have any questions, please let us know at support@proplate.pro.